I don't know if you've heard, but February 17th is a very exciting event.
This might be just an hour of your lives for you, but for those involved in it, it's months of work and preparation.
This is
The Make-A-Wish Assembly. So, what can you tell us about our Make-A-Wish kid?
Well, I can tell you that her name is Samantha. She's from North Plains, 9 years old. She loves Descendants, zombies. Her wish is to go to Disneyland, which we are super excited for. And we're excited to meet her at our assembly. She's gonna be a judge at Mountain Size Got Talent. We're just really excited this year for her.
What is leadership doing to prepare for the assembly?
Yeah, so we have a pretty long process. We have a 20-page ongoing Google Doc that has all of our outlines and our script for the assembly. We also have to contact all of the different groups that are involved, like band, dance team, cheer. We're also creating a highlight video for all of the winter sports and then also the fall sports, all of their recognition. So yeah.
Perfect, thank you. So what songs are you performing at the assembly?
We are doing Call to the Wild from Zombies 2, as requested by our Make-A-Wish kid, Samantha.
And how does Viva prepare for events such as this?
So right there, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. Good. And then we've got.
How does cheer prepare for an assembly like this?
Usually we just go over the dance that we learned at camp and we just go over a few cheers.
Yeah, we can't wait to see it.
So what are the MAPS dancers performing at an assembly?
We will be performing our 2023 POM routine, Slay All Day.
And how do the MABS dancers prepare for this performance?
We prepared by practicing our facials and our precision and drilling the dance over and over again.
The assembly will also include a performance from band, human bowling, a rap battle, and a staff member getting tattooed live.
That same day, there will be a basketball game against Southridge and an after-game dance. So get excited, Mavs!
And is there anything more you can tell us, more info?
It's a secret.